In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Facebook ads in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or simply curious about how your ads are performing on Facebook, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily manage and review your ads effectively. Let's start by understanding why it's important to be able to see and analyze your Facebook ads. In the vast world of social media marketing, keeping an eye on your ad performance helps you understand what works and what doesn't. This knowledge allows you to optimize your strategy, improve engagement, and ultimately increase your return on investment. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Facebook Business Manager. This is the central hub where you manage all of your Facebook marketing and advertising activities. It's crucial for you to familiarize yourself with the Business Manager if you're handling marketing efforts on Facebook. Once you're at the Business Manager homepage, the next step is to click on Login with Facebook. Here you'll be prompted to enter your login details. These credentials are the same as your regular Facebook login, since everything is interconnected within the Facebook ecosystem. It's a simple step, but an important one, as it verifies your identity and ensures the security of your ad accounts. After logging in, you'll choose the account you want to proceed with. If you're managing multiple pages or ad accounts, make sure you select the correct one. Picking the right account is crucial because all the subsequent steps in managing your ads will be performed under this account. Take a moment here to double check you've selected the desired account to avoid any confusion later on. Next, head over to the lower left panel and click on Ads. This option navigates you closer to where your actual ad content lives. It's designed to streamline the process of managing your ads, making it more accessible and less time consuming. Here, Facebook places all the tools you need to create, manage, and review your ads in one neat space. Moving on, click on Ads Manager. The Ads Manager is your go-to place for everything ad related. Think of it as your ad control center where you can launch new campaigns, adjust current ones, and, importantly for today, view your ads. The layout is designed to be user-friendly, providing you with a comprehensive overview of your ad performance at a glance. Now that you're in Ads Manager, it's time to dive deeper into your campaigns. Navigate to the Campaigns section. This is where all your active, paused, or completed ad campaigns are listed. Campaigns are essentially the foundation of your ad structure, each representing a unique goal or initiative you're running on Facebook. Once you're viewing your campaigns, the final step is to click on Ads. This section displays all the individual ads associated with a particular campaign. Here you can review various performance metrics that Facebook provides, like reach, impressions, engagement rates, and much more. This data is invaluable in assessing how well your ads are doing and where there's room for improvement. And there you have it. You've just navigated through the process of viewing your Facebook ads. Remember, being proactive and regularly checking your ad performance can have a significant positive impact on your marketing efforts. Facebook provides a wealth of data and analytics tools within the Ads Manager, so take the time to explore these and use the insights to refine your strategies. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, whether you're new to Facebook advertising or looking to brush up on your skills. Understanding how to access and analyze your ads is key to successful social media marketing. Remember to experiment with different ad formats and strategies to see what resonates best with your audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this information useful, consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials on managing and optimizing your social media marketing campaigns. Happy advertising!